Stantu. How are you? Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say it's windy today and some associated words and terms. So first of all, the Irish word for wind is gaeilge. 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 My dialect is the Munster dialect, specifically West Kerry. In Connacht and Ulster you would hear gaeilge. Gaeilge. So that's wind. If we want to say the wind, we're placing the definite article un before this word for wind, and this word is taking shevu or linition because it is a singular feminine noun in the nominative beginning with a consonant. So we're going to have on re, on re, on re. The wind. And again in Connacht and Ulster you'll hear something closer to on ri. The adjective windy is gaeilge. 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 And again in Connacht and Ulster you'll hear something closer to gaeilge. Gaeilge. So let's take that adjective gaeilge and put it into a sentence. We want to say it is windy today. Tá sé gaeilge inniu. Tá sé gaeilge inniu. Tá sé gaeilge inniu. Tá sé, it is gaeilge, windy inniu, today. Again, the pronunciation of this sentence will be a little different in other dialects. For instance, in Connemara or Connacht you'll have something closer to Tá sé gaeilge inniu. Tá sé gaeilge inniu. Okay, so that's just windy. If we want to be a little bit more expressive or specific, let's try some different types of wind. So we've had a fair amount of extreme weather events in recent times. If we wanted to say there are strong squalls of wind forecast, we would say Tá cóchanna gaeilge láide gaeilge. Tá cóchanna gaeilge láide gaeilge. Tá cóchanna gaeilge láide gaeilge. So tá, there is, or there are, cóchanna, squalls, gaeilge, of wind, láide, strong, gaeilge, promised. So promised may sound strange to you in English. If you're familiar with the way that people speak English in Ireland, you will hear people say, for instance, it's promised wet for the weekend, and that'll be coming from this use of the verb gael, to pledge or promise in Irish. So what we mean is there are strong squalls of wind forecast, but we're using this verb gael to pledge or to promise. Tá cóchanna gaeilge láide gaeilge. Okay, so these strong squalls were promised. Let's say they've arrived and we want to say it's blowing a gale. We would say Tá sé ina ghála. Tá sé ina ghála. So what about if we wanted to say that it's gusty or breezy? Well, then the adjective you're looking for is feomhnach. 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 And growing up myself in West Kerry, I lived in an area that was called feomhnach, and it was, generally speaking, quite breezy there. So if we wanted to say it's breezy day, you could say lá feomhnach atá ann. Lá feomhnach atá ann. fiohanach atá ann. It is a breezy day. If it wasn't so breezy and we just had a light wind, well, the word for light wind is lóithne. 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 So that's a light breeze, and if you wanted sea breeze, then you would say lóithne farige. Lóithne farige. Lóithne farige. So lóithne, breeze, farige, sea. And if it's a really calm day and there isn't a puff of wind, you would say níl po ríthe ann. Níl po ríthe ann. Níl po ríthe ann. There isn't a puff of wind. Okay, so we will finish today with a seanachal or proverb that is associated with the wind. So this one goes, is ulk an ré nach séden de rinne eigen. Is ulk an ré nach séden de rinne eigen. Is ulk an ré nach séden de rinne eigen. Is ulk an ré nach séden de rinne eigen. And this means it is an ill wind that doesn't blow for somebody, that doesn't blow somebody some good. Is ulk an ré nach séden de rinne eigen. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill, bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.